Unsalted caramel.
You are my star. What's Christmas without sticky toffee pudding? Yes, it's everyone's favorite, so I'm gonna put in some really comforting salted caramel. So it's gonna be chewy, gooey salted caramel with the sticky toffee in a travel cake. Let's go on to the recipe. We need to have dates, of course. Kita masukkan Yusuf Tayyub dengan air. So kita nak didihkan dia, kita nak buatkan dia soft. So untuk lembutkan kurma, kita nak gunakan baking soda. Kita pun nak masuk dalam sekali. So kita pun dah tahu, tengok kita lembut. Yusuf Tayyub lembut. So you see it's really soft already. So tengok kita punya paste kan. Biarpun dia dah paste, tapi we still have some lump. Dia punya kulit semua kan. So yang ni yang kita nak blend. So ni kan kita masuk dalam blender. Kita kasih blend dia. So kita pun dah blend semua ni. Tengok dah smooth, bleaching. Very nice. Bau pun dah sedap. Kalau tak suka sticky date pudding tu, I pun tak faham lah. Because it's really nice. The sweetness from the natural dates is really nice. Now we're going to make the cake base. We'll just mix in our butter. Some brown sugar. Sticky toffee pudding. Brown sugar. You throw it. We'll be putting in some cake flour, some baking powder, and some salt. So lastly, we'll add in the wet ingredients. So you have 1 egg and milk. Add in the eggs, and the last but not least, the most important is eggs. So we use a baking mold, a very cute mini one for this travel cake. And we'll make sure we have parchment paper on the bottom as well. Put inside the baking mold. Cook it for 180 degrees for 30 minutes. Babe, please. So we have our sticky toffee pudding. Look at the batter. Really nice. Going to put into the oven 180 degrees for 30 minutes. So for the sticky toffee pudding, we'll be putting in salted chewy caramel. So how do we make that? We are going to put in some caster sugar, some glucose syrup, some water, and salt. On the fire, get it a deep dark brown amber color. Not too dark, but just a nice caramel. I'll show you later. Just do not stir this. Roll it like this. Once it's there, you put in the cream, then the butter, and the acid. Okay, this is just a nice consistency. We just put in our cream. See everything bubble up. Put in some butter and some vanilla essence. Chewy salted caramel, just perfect and nice. Just melt off everything Inilah tekstur konsistensi yang kita nak. Tengoklah dia. Nanti dah masuk peti sejuk, dia jadi chewy. Oh, look at that color, man. This goes into the fridge. Inilah sticky toffee pudding. Yang tadi kita sudah susah payah masak semua tu. As now it's out in the oven and it's so perfect. So yang ni kita buat cara lain sikit. Kita tak mau cucuk dia. Kita guna star. Kita star dia. So dapatlah Christmas filling. Ada pun dia punya star. My lucky star. Inilah tekstur konsistensi yang kita nak. Chewy caramel. Caramel sticky. So we have it in some really nice Christmas style. Ho 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 ho! Merry Christmas! Inilah kita punya salted, sticky, toffee, caramel. So ni kek ni dia boleh melompat travel to your Christmas party. Merry Christmas! And a Happy New Year!